It looks like a button, feels like a button, but it's not a button. That's right, no more clicks. On the new HTC U12 Plus, the sleep-wake button and the volume up-down buttons are nothing more than haptic feedback illusions. Apple did something similar when it replaced the home button on the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus with a touch-sensitive area that simulates the look and feel of a real button. But HTC has taken it a step farther and replaced all of its buttons. When the phone is powered off, the sleep-wake button still works. Apparently, the digital button requires so little power that it will work on a dead battery. Getting rid of mechanical buttons reduces the risk of a part breaking, and it allows the phone to have a dust and water resistance rating of IP68. Then there's the left and right sides of the U12 Plus, which are squeezable, much like last year's U11 and Google Pixel 2, which HTC manufactured. HTC's squeeze technology gets an upgrade. Now you can squeeze short, squeeze long, or squeeze and hold. Each squeeze triggers a different action which you can customize. You can have it open an app, turn the flashlight on, or open the camera and take a picture, among other things. The sides of the phone are touch sensitive, which HTC calls Edge Sense 2. They can receive tap for input. For example, you can tap with your thumb and index finger to minimize the screen for one-handed use. The U12 Plus can even tell which hand you're holding it with and offset the shrunken display accordingly. The U12 Plus comes with 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. Both enable bokeh mode, which lets you take portraits of people with a blurry background. You can adjust the focus point before or after you take a picture to change the blur. The rear camera also has a 2x optical zoom and a nifty feature called sonic zoom. During video recording, it uses the 4 microphones to focus in on your subject as you zoom in for better audio. The U12 Plus shoots HD and 4K video at 30 and 60 frames per second. It also shoots slow motion video at 240 frames per second in 1080p. The U12 Plus has an 18:9 6-inch Quad HD display with minimal bezels and no notch. The fingerprint reader is on the back. It runs on a Snapdragon 845 processor with 6 GB of RAM, and it comes in either 64 or 120 GB of storage. The phone comes in 3 colors: flame red, which looks like Iron Man's armor, ceramic black, which isn't actually made of ceramic, it's still Gorilla Glass, and translucent blue, which allows you to actually see the inside of your phone. The HTC U12 Plus is available for pre-order now and will ship in mid-June. In the US, the 64GB model costs $799 and the 128GB model $849.